2 years ago, my Amazon account was suspended, and it was suspended for 6 months. It was one of the worst time period in my business life, and it was really, really bad. It really sucked. But I was able to learn a lot of stuff during those 6 months, all right? And in today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the most important lessons that I learned from that experience that you can apply in all of your lives, and in your business, all right? Before we actually do, this video is not going to be about the suspension. I have a whole video that actually details why I got suspended and how I was able to get over it. It's just look it up on my channel. You're going to find it. Chris Mangunza suspension in the YouTube search bar. You're going to find it. As I said in today's video, we are just going to talk about the stuff that I learned from that situation. All right. Before we actually dive into this thing that I learned, 3 links in the description. You're going to find them by scrolling down. The first 2 links, if you need mentorship, if you need one-on-one coaching, all right, to grow your business, you want to get on a call with me, there's a link for that. It's going to be the second link. All right. Get on a call. We can build a plan for you to actually scale your Amazon business. Or if you are having any other issues that you do not know to overcome, you need a mentor. Best way to do it, book a call. People that went on the call loved it. Book a call. If you need help to grow your business, is the best way to do it. Get a mentor. So get on a call. Other link that you're going to find, the first link is going to be for the mentorship program, all right? So it's going to be a paid program that is going to be, of course, more expensive than one-on-one coaching, but it's going to be for 8 weeks, all right? For 8 weeks, I'm going to take some beginners from $0 to $10,000. It's going to be super limited, all right? So join the mentorship program, the waitlist for the mentorship program. Quick thing, if you've been on a coaching call with me before and you want to get on the mentorship program, you will get priority, all right? Same thing, if you get on the coaching call before you actually start the mentorship program, you will get priority and you will get a discount on the mentorship program. If you do, all right? Last thing that you're going to find, Discord server. Same thing, if you want to grow, you need to network. Best way to do it, come on a Discord server. It's a small server, so any message that you're going to leave is going to be more meaningful than if you were on another Discord server, all right? So, as I said, usually this is during hard time that you learn a lot of stuff, right? And it was true for me, you know, it's during the winter that you learn a lot as well. When things are not as well, things are more calm, it's cold outside, so you stay inside and you do not have much to do, but you are able, if you really take advantage of that time, you are going to be able to learn a lot of stuff during that time. Not only that, but if you start reflecting, when everything passed and you start reflecting, you will be able to realize that you actually have some lessons that you can take from that whole situation, right? One of those for me was the importance to actually stop avoiding symptoms. And if you've been suspended, if you wrote a plan of action for your Amazon account or to get the listing back, you will know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about root cause, all right? Amazon wants you to write about the root cause. That it's one of the most important part of your plan of action. They want you they want to make sure that you really understand what the root cause of your suspension is, what actually caused it, and not the symptoms, right? You need to go back to the source. And this is something that is kind of hard to do when you start, because you may not understand the concept of the root cause and how to actually get to the root cause, you know, because the reason your account got suspended, it's not, for example, if you've been selling counterfeits, it's not just because you've been selling counterfeits, all right? This is a symptom. All right, they want you to go back and they want you they want to make sure that you understand why you actually sold counterfeits item and why, and so just to make sure that it won't happen again, right? And to do that, you will need to fix stuff in your business. And this is the other part, but we are not going to talk about the plan of action. Same thing, I have a whole video on the plan of action. And to be honest, like anything that has to do with Amazon, I probably make, like any question that you may have, I probably already made a video on my channel on it, you know. I make a video on every single subject. So if you search my name with Amazon, like with the issue that you have with your Amazon account, I probably have a video on it, all right? And if you don't find it, ask on the Discord server. But most of the time, I do have I have a video on everything. But so as I was saying, the concept of root cause and trying to find the root cause of issues that are happening in your business, not only in your business, but in your life, it's a really powerful exercise, all right? Because instead, like, you know, we are in a society that only tries to fix symptoms, all right? And it's not only with business and stuff like that, but just with, because we talk about a lot about symptoms in, you know, just when you're sick, stuff like that. And for example, a lot of people have back issues, all right, back pain. And because of, like, most of the time, like, you know, you try to get some massage in your back, but the issue is not really your back, all right? The issue is maybe that you have fucked up knees. And oftentimes it's the opposite, all right? You have a pelvic tilt, and because of that, your knees are bad. And people try to actually fix their knees while the issue is actually on top, all right? There's some imbalance with your core, with your back, lower back muscle and all that stuff that actually cause you to have pain in your knees. And so it's the exact same thing with Amazon, you know, and with everything with your business. If you try to fix symptoms, you are never going to fix problems, all right? And the symptoms in your business may be that all your products stink, all right? And it may be a big issue in your business, but the issue, like the real root cause of the problem is maybe that you are not doing enough, you are not looking at enough data when you actually look at your products, right? When you actually make purchasing decisions. And this is like, it is just a simple example, but trying to go to the root cause of everything actually help you to improve your life, improve your business, because you can fix the issue at the root, all right? We are trying to fix every single issue that we have in our society, in our countries. We're trying to fix symptoms, all right? You are not going to get over your flu if you have a stuffy nose by just putting some it's going to help you, you know, get better, because it's going to alleviate the symptoms if you're putting some stuff in your nose to not have your nose congested and stuff, but you are still going to be sick anyways, you know. So it's the exact same thing. You need to ask, whenever you have an issue with your business, you identify an issue, you need to ask, why is this issue happening? And keep asking why until you find the real reason, right? So if you are having a problem with sourcing, with all your products stinking, you know, keep asking the question why. Why is your product tanking? Maybe it's because you do not know how to use Keepa enough, all right? You are not good enough with Keepa. Why are you not good enough with Keepa? You are not good enough with Keepa because you haven't spent the time to actually master Keepa and understand how Keepa works, right? How to analyze product, how to analyze data. You just need 20 minutes to do this, all right? I have a whole ass video on the subject as well. One of the best videos on the channel, one of the videos that actually helped make a lot of six-figure sellers for free. Because the only tool that you need is Keepa, to be honest, like to really analyze data and make good purchasing decisions. But yeah, and you know, keep asking why. Why don't you know how to analyze data? Because you haven't put in the time to do it. Why haven't you put in the time? Because you're busy all the time, because you're doing all the stuff. But maybe you're playing video games. Cut on your time playing video games, learn how to analyze data, and here you go. You're playing too much video game. It may be your root cause. You're playing too much video game. Because of that, you're not putting in the time to actually, dive deeper into that business and, really understand how it works and really becoming a master at this craft that is finding products online to resell, right? And it's one of the things that helped me a lot with my business is understanding that you do not fix an issue by fixing symptoms, by trying to fix symptoms. You need to go to the root cause. This is one of the main lessons that I learned from my suspension. Not really from my suspension, but from the whole process. And this is something that is going to tremendously help you in your business if you actually put in the work with it, all right? So, that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. Once again, link in the description, Discord server, all that stuff, one-on-one coaching, all that stuff. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.